The global injection molding machine market size is expected to reach $23.31 billion in 2030 and register a revenue CAGR of 3.7% during the forecast period, says Reports and Data. Increasing demand for lightweight and durable products, as well as a surge in demand from various end-use industries, are factors driving market revenue growth. Injection molding is used in the production of packaging for fragile and important items such as cell phones and other electronic devices. Rising innovation in this product segment has significantly shifted consumer demand. As a result, increase in demand for innovative electrical technologies is expected to drive market growth over the forecast period. Injection molding machines are advanced manufacturing machines that use a nozzle and high-quality molten material to manufacture and produce parts in large quantities. The equipment is primarily used to produce identical parts.